So you may have noticed a new feature in Google Meet where after your meeting is over, you get this attendance roster um, made up for you, so you can take attendance much more easily, right? And so if you were like me, you got really excited, and you're like, "Oh, taking attendance is going to be so easy," and then you realize that, oh no, Google Meet sorted my student names by first name, and my attendance needs to be taken by last name. So this is just going to still take so long. It doesn't have to. Here's a solution. So what we're going to do is highlight the column with the names, all right? And just go there. Now it's highlighted. You're going to click Data and go down to Split Text to Columns. And this little window pops up and it tells you how you want to separate. You can automatically detect and it might get it right, but just to be safe, click on the little arrows and you're going to say space, and voila, you're separated by last name. And now, if you want to alphabetize it, you can, again, highlight the last names, go to Data, sort sheet by column, and you want to go A to Z, and there you go. If you don't want to get rid of the email column, right, you can simply highlight column A, right click, and go to insert one column to the right here. And now you have that extra column. And now I can highlight the names, go to Data, split two columns, go space, and there are my names. And now I can go here again and alphabetize. Then you go to Data, sort sheet by column, A to Z, and there you go. Now you can easily take attendance.